presenters, welcome to KANZEN Class, where we teach you how to power up your presentations. Today we're diving into an exciting new feature that's like having a personal coach right by your side, the AI-powered Presenter Coach. I'm Lizzie, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to harness the power of AI to enhance your presentation skills. Let's explore this new feature together. Step 1. Activate the Presenter Coach. Like always, fire up PowerPoint and open the presentation that you want to practice with. Now let's make sure you're in slideshow mode by clicking Present and Rehearse with Coach in the top right corner. This activates the AI-powered Presenter Coach and gets us ready to practice. Step 2. Practice your presentation. Go through your presentation as if you were presenting it to your audience. As you go through your slides, the Presenter Coach will provide you with a real-time feedback on your pacing, pitch, and use of filler words. Pay attention to your feedback on the right side of the screen as you speak. Step 3. Review your feedback. After you've completed your practice session, PowerPoint will provide you with a summary of your performance. Here you can see your total speaking time, slides rehearsed, repetitive language, pronunciation, pitch, and any other areas for improvement highlighted by the Presenter Coach. Step 4. Refine your skills. Use the feedback from the Presenter Coach to refine your presentation skills. Practice speaking more confidently, maintaining a steady pace, and minimizing filler words. Remember, practice makes perfect. So there's our crash course on using the AI-powered Presenter Coach in PowerPoint. Whether you're prepping for a big meeting, a conference presentation, or a classroom lecture, this tool will help you hone your skills and deliver your message with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips. Don't forget that our team at KANZEN Design can help you with all of your PowerPoint needs, so you can save time and shine. Now go practice your presentations like a pro. Until next time, happy presenting.